Hi guys, today we are going to see about real-time listeners in Firestore. In previous videos, we learned how to create, update, remove and read data from the Firestore. In this video, we are going to create a snapshot in our application which listens to all the changes that are happening in the Firestore. Let's get into the action. I already have written a function to read the data from the Firestore. Since we are going to use a snapshot tool in our application, we don't need to have a separate function to read the data from the Firestore, because whenever the application is loaded, this snapshot function will return all the existing data that are available in our Firestore. So now let's see this real-time listener function in action. I'm going to open a console here. I want to check this. See, I have attached this snapshot listener to the collection users. So whenever this application is loaded, it returns all these data that are available inside the collection users. So we have pre-existing data. So whenever the application is loaded, I got all those existing data in the collection users. Okay. So you can decide what you want to do whenever the data is added or modified or removed. That's up to you. It's based on application. So according to this application, I'm going to modify little changes whenever the data is been added or modified or removed. For example, whenever the data is removed, I'll remove this row from the table. Whenever this data is added, I will add it in the table. So whenever modified, it will change in the particular cell. So let me modify simple codes here. I have already created a function to create a row in our table. So create row, I'm going to pass data and document ID. So whenever So let's see how this works. So what I'm going to do is, to test this use case, I'm going to create a separate tab and run this application there. Okay. Now I'm going to add a data in this tab. So when our data is added in the Firestore, automatically this tab listens to the Firestore using our snapshot listener, and it executes the function what we wanted to do. Here we have set it to create row whenever data is added, and update those values whenever data is modified, and remove the row when the data is being removed. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to create the data here. Let's say GHI, JKL, and with the age 15. Let's register here. Automatically this tab listens to the data and creates a row here. Now let's edit the data in this another tab, and let's see whether this tab listens or not. So with ABC updated, I'm going to suggest editing ABC modified, and I'm going to edit it. So automatically this tab listens and changes the data from ABC updated to ABC modified. Wow, this is actually amazing. Now let's see. Let's delete the data with ABCDEF 45 here, and automatically the data from here removes the row here. That's it. Now there's a small problem here. What the problem is, I used the wrong variable here. I should have used document ID with capital D, not with small d. So now let's run it again. So let me add another data to the database HJI, and with YUI, something with age like 89, 89, something. Let me register here. Okay, it listens and creates a row into the table. Now I'm going to delete the data with ABC modified. So let me delete it. So the data is being deleted. Oh sorry, I didn't load it. I didn't load the page here. Sorry, very sorry. Okay, let me add 2WE with RTS and with age 98. So data is being added in all the tabs. Now let me modify it. GHI into JKL. Sorry, GHI into JKL into KLM with age 24. I'm going to edit it. Automatically a GHI is going to take with JKL, KLM and 24. Wow. Now the final testing. I'm going to remove a data with QWV, RTS and 98. I'm going to delete it. So automatically the row from here also gets deleted. So this is how a real-time listener works. You have to be careful in variables, and you have to be careful in whatever the function you are going to do with add or modify or remove. This is the major function of snapshot function, to listen all the changes that is happening in the real-time Firestore. So you will be updated without any refreshment or refreshing the page or something like that. Thanks guys for watching this. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel.